JQuery is a fast, lightweight, and feature-rich JavaScript library designed to simplify HTML document traversal, event handling, animation, and AJAX interactions. It provides an easy-to-use syntax that allows developers to perform complex tasks with minimal code. JQuery was created to streamline JavaScript programming by abstracting common operations, making it easier to manipulate the DOM and handle user interactions efficiently. One of the key advantages of JQuery is its cross-browser compatibility. JavaScript behavior can differ across browsers, but JQuery normalizes these inconsistencies, ensuring that code runs smoothly on different platforms. This makes it particularly useful for web developers who need to support multiple browsers without writing separate code for each one. JQuery also includes built-in functions for animations and effects, allowing developers to create dynamic and engaging user interfaces without needing deep expertise in CSS or JavaScript animations. Additionally, its AJAX capabilities enable seamless data retrieval from servers without requiring full-page reloads, enhancing website responsiveness and user experience. Despite its many benefits, JQuery has become less dominant in recent years due to the rise of modern JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. These frameworks offer more advanced state management and component-based architecture, making them more suitable for large-scale applications. However, JQuery is still widely used in many legacy projects and remains a valuable tool for quick development tasks and simple scripting needs. Overall, JQuery continues to be a powerful and convenient tool for web development, especially for those looking to enhance their websites with minimal effort. Its simplicity, versatility, and broad community support make it a relevant choice for developers working on various web projects.